It was a solemn moment at the chambers of the Edo State House of Assembly as the Speaker, Marcus Onobun, led serving former members of the Bello-Osagie family and guests to bid farewell to the deceased lawmaker at the valedictory session. The Speaker, Marcus Onobun, eulogized late Jafaru Bello-Osagie as an astute lawmaker. Majority Leader Henry Okrabo extolled late Jafaru Bello-Osagie as a unique parliamentarian who distinguished himself in all endeavors, while Deputy Speaker Roland Asoro and other members described the deceased as a pragmatic leader, role model, and mentor to many.
Celebrating this man, I think it's time for us to reflect when the trumpet sound, what will be said of us.
Oredo Bello-Osagie was not only an ardent scholar, he was also an accomplished author who produced books that were as informative as the wide range.
Bello-Osagie was a man that was highly respected. I think all what we should do here is to celebrate and ask God to allow the blessing in his bosom.
Ikpoba was the president. Extending her condolences to the family.
Son of the deceased lawmaker Idris Bello-Osagie and the former APC governorship candidate in Edo State, Pastor Sage Izeyamu, paid tribute to the late lawmaker.
Members of the House of Assembly for the privilege, the honor of giving us the valedictory service was very well organized.
Very humble, but a very great man.
Elected in 1983 under the platform of the National Party of Nigeria (NPN), late Jafaru Bello-Osagie stood out as the youngest member of the House. Kingsley Uchegbu reporting.